Hello guys, in today's video we will use $500 to make $15,000 in just a limited number of trades, and we will show you every single trade and how we carried out the trade and how we used our signature technique to make this much profit. So now on the screen you can see that balance of $500 is in front of you, and all you have to do is voice this video till the end so that you can see how it carried out our trades and how we use the strategy. Then how we set everything so that you can also make profit. So you can see in front of your balance. And now we are going to place buyer entries with full margin. And you can see that I am not stopping at all. And I have placed the number of entries we can place at a single time. You can see I'm not stopping. We are placing more and more buy entries with full margin, and now I'm going to place the trend line. And you can see that I've marked the trend line, and now I'm going to place the lower base on the screen. And now I'm going to go for the upper base. And you can see I have placed the upper base on the screen as well. So now I'm again placing more and more buy entries with full margin. And you can see that till now the great results on your screen that we have made more than $2,000 in profit, and we are still placing more and more buy entries with full margin. And the profit has crossed $3,500, and it is fluctuating, but it has gone above $3,000. And you can see that our technique is going great, and we have done great so far. So the profit is still fluctuating, but I am very much hopeful that it will go above the haul. Market touched earlier. So now you can see that the time new candle has appeared, and we have changed our trend line, and you can see that we are placing more and more buy entries with full margin and everything in front of you. And you can see that we are still making a lot of profit, and we are going really good. So let's see how this trade ends. So I'm very much hopeful that we will make a lot of profit at the end of this trade. So you can see now I'm going to end this trade and close it. So we will close at the total balance of $4,600, and which is a great profit for a single trade. So now we have moved on to the next trade, and you can see that we are adjusting the size of the entry, and I'm placing more and more buy entries with full margin so that we can make more profit in this trade. So, just see how much we can do till now. You can subscribe, and so let's see what happens. So you can see everything in front of you that till now we are not going in much profit. So let's see what happens in the upcoming time. But still now we are in loss, and we are still placing more and more buy entries with full margin. So you can see that the trade is going good. Now we are in profit, and again we went in loss, but again we went to profit. So it's going on, it keeps on going on. So we are still trying to place more and more buy entries with full margin, and I have made almost $2,500 in profit. But we again went in loss because the market is moving very fast and it is fluctuating really well. So we are still hopeful that we will get more profit in this. And everything in front of you that we are just doing our regular strategy, and we are hopeful to make profit from that. And again, we are going to close when it crossed $3,000, and let's see where we close it. So you can see that now we are going to close the trade, and you just have to be patient. And we close our total balance of $8,619, which is a great profit again for a single trade. And now we will use it in our next trade, and let's see how much profit we make in that trade, and can we touch our target or not. So you just have to stay tuned for the next trade. So now let's come to the next trade, and in front of you, you can see that we will just place the entries and see what happens next. And where does it go? So we are placing more and more selling. is with full margin, and you can see the size of entry is 1, so it is a large entry. So let's see how much we can go. So till now we are in loss because the market is going up. But we are hopeful that it will go in our direction. So we are placing upper base on the screen, and now we will place the trend line, and after that we'll place the lower base on the screen. And you can see the trend is going downwards, which means we have to sell. So as I have already placed sell entries. So let's see what happens, and can we make more profit from it or not. So you just have to be hopeful that you get good profit in this trade. So still, this trade is going very slow, so we'll just wait for the best opportunity to place entries because trading is all about placing more and more entries, but at the right time so that you don't get lost. So you can see that as the new candle form, it is going in our direction. And so we place more and more entries with full margin. But we will still wait for the best time that we don't lose much and we get as much profit as we desire or as we have worked for. So we will just be patient and we just wait for our time that we place next entries. And so let's see how much profit we can make. And you can see on the screen the other view. And we are just hopeful that we make good profit from this trade. So let's see what happens next and how much we can do in this trade. But the trade is still going, and you can see that. It has started to move in our direction, and we are hopeful that it will now move good and make us a handsome amount of profit. So let's just see how much this goes. So it's going on. So we'll just wait for it to come in our direction. And now it has came in our direction, and let's see that what happened. And you can see the candle is growing. So we are hopeful that this makes us good profit. So we'll just see how much we close here. But we'll just wait for the right time again to place the entries because one wrong entry can make us lose our all balance. So that's one thing which you should keep in mind, that while placing the entries or while trading, you have to just be very, very careful about your strategies or techniques because your real money is dependent on it. And you can see we are still going in loss, but we are hopeful that we'll go in profit, and once you are confident about a trade, then you should not see that whether it is going in profit or in loss at that particular moment, but you should be optimistic and you should be confident about yourself. So you can see as we went in our direction. So we instantly placed more and more sell entries with full margin so that we can make the maximum profit. And you can see that we have crossed $1,000 and then we again came back. But we are still very hopeful that this trade will make us good profit. So we are just will see that how much we can make in this trade. So as it is going in our direction, so we place again more and more sell entries with full margin and see how much we can make. And you can see that it is a difficult trade till now and the profit is not much. Because the candle has grown a lot, but the profit is not much because it keeps on backing. So we'll just wait for the right time to lose to make the right move. And you can see that we are still waiting for the trade to go for in our direction and make us profit. So we are optimistic and we are confident that it will go in our direction, and you can see that profit is not that much, but it is still good and it has started to go good. So we are hopeful that this will get us handsome amount of profit in this trade. So you can see everything is in front of you and the market is slow here. So we'll be just patient and see what happens next, and we are still patient and we'll just wait for the time. And you can see that we are almost $700 in profit, and we will see that how much we can do. So in this we are checking it in different time frame. So we'll just see how much this trade goes. So let's see how much this goes, and we are instantly placing more and more sell entries with full margin so that we get the maximum profit, and let's see how this ends. But because everything matters at the end. So you can see we have crossed almost $5,000 in profit, and which is a great profit till now because as we were hopeful, so we'll make more and more profit. So now we'll just close this trade and see where we close our trade. Can see that? No, I've not closed the trade. So we'll just wait for another moment and get a better place. So you can see that again, the candles came in our direction, and you can see our profit has again grown $7,000 and it came back. So we'll just wait for the right time to close the trade. And now I think I will just close it and see what happens next. And let's see, because the market is fluctuating very fast. So we'll wait for the best time to close the trade. And as soon as it goes up, we'll just close the trade. So we'll close at the best position. So let's just see. And we close the trade at a total of $15,071, which is a great total from just a balance of $500 and, This is all about this strategy, and now if you want to learn more such strategies and about trading, then you should join our Telegram channel. The link to which has been provided in the description, and also this video is for educational purposes only, and we are not your financial advisors. So trade at your own risk. Also, if you want this strategy, then there is a link provided in the description. You should follow that link and you will get the strategy. Also, if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and push the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of the updates from our channel. Because we keep on releasing giveaways and many more things for our subscribers who are regular with our videos, and they get a lot of advantage which are second.